Woke up on Mars or maybe a dream. Coffee so cold, but it tastes like cream.